Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES Big Step 4-inch round sidebars on a Toyota Tundra. These sidebars come in a textured black powder coat finish. Start by identifying each mounting bracket to determine its proper mounting location. Use the print instructions as a reference. Identify the 3 mounting locations along the body. On the driver's side of the vehicle, attach the driver's side front mounting bracket to the vehicle using the included 8mm hex head bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Do not fully tighten the hardware at this time. Repeat the same process to attach the driver's side center and rear brackets to the vehicle. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. Lift the sidebar to the brackets and align the holes on the bottom of the sidebar with the holes on the mounting brackets. Attach the bar to the mounting brackets with the included hex head bolts, flat washers, and lock washers. Do not fully tighten at this time. Now, level and adjust the sidebar before tightening all the hardware. Repeat the entire process on the passenger side. Remember to do periodic inspections to make sure all of the hardware is secure and tight. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES Big Step 4-inch round sidebars.